So students, today we'll study the solution of linear equation of two variables. Solution of linear equations of two variables, like a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a2x b2y equals to c2. Suppose this is the equation given to us. So how to solve? How to solve to find the value of x and y? So there are different ways to solve it. First one is graphical method. Second method is substitution method. Second method is substitution method. Third method is equalizing the coefficients. Fourth is cross multiplication method. There are also other methods like determinant method. There is method like matrix method, but those two are will not study in the class 10 syllabus. So we will be studying only these four types of solutions, method to solve the linear equations. The graphical method I will teach you at the last. Let's start with this substitution method. So let's take few questions on this. Solve the following pair of equations by the method of substitutions. Solve the following pair of equations by the method of substitutions. Okay. Suppose our first question is 3x minus y equals to 2. X minus y equals to 2, and the second equation is 5x minus 2y equals to 1. 5x minus 2y equals to 1. So what we'll do is, from here we'll find one value of x. Suppose I'll find the value of x from here. How to find? Now 3x minus y equals to 2. Suppose I will take y to this side. Then what I will get? 3x equals to 2, y will be here plus y. Then x equals to 2 plus y by 3. Let's keep it like this. Now 3 you have divided here. The x is 2 plus y by 3. So what I am to say is, this x you found from where? First equation. Now this x will put in the second equation now. So putting the value of x in equation number 2. Putting the value of x in which one? We'll put it in 2. 2 means 5x minus 2y equals to 1. So this implies 5 into x is 2 plus y by 3. 2 plus y by 3. I put the value of x here. minus 2y equals to 1. Okay, x equals to 2 plus y by 3. Okay, now how to solve it? Take the LCM. 3 is LCM, so 5 into 2 plus y, this 3 will be multiplied to this, 6y equals to 1. Now cross multiplication, so you get 5 into 2 plus y minus 6y equals to 1 into 3. This 3 goes here. Implies 10 plus 5y minus 6y equals to 3. So this we can simplify like term. So what will you get? 10 plus, is not plus now, greater sign is minus y equals to 3. Now arrange the like terms. This 10 will go here. So 10 will go here means minus y equals to 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10. So this implies minus y equals to minus 7, minus cancel, y equals to 7. So we got the value of y. Now we have to get the value of x. Remember we had put the value of x in the box. What was that? Now x was 2 plus y by 3. This is the value of x, look at there. So this will be 2 plus y का value 7 implies x equals to 9 by 3. Therefore x equals to 3. So you got y equals to 7, x equals to 3. Okay, let's take one more question. Like 31x plus 43y. 31x plus 43y equals to 117. Then 43x plus 13y equals to 105. Then 43x plus 31y equals to 105. So therefore, how to solve? I take the first one. Suppose I take this equation: 31x plus 43y equals to 117. First I take this term this side. Implies 31x is 117 minus 43y. Don't do a mistake of subtraction because these two are unlike terms. It remain like this. So x equals to 117 minus 43y divided by 31. Let's keep it like this. Okay. Now we'll put the value of x where? We got it from first. Now we'll put in the second. Putting the value of x in 43x plus 31y equals to 105. So in place of x we'll write this one: 43 into 117 minus 43 into 117 minus 43y by 31 plus 31y equals to 105. Numbers are big, but the method will be same. So How to do? Now take LCM again. So what is LCM? 31 is LCM. So 43 117 minus 43y plus 31 into 31y equals to 105. Okay. So how to simplify? Now 43 into 117 multiply 117 43. How much you will get? This is 5031. Then 43. 49 y plus 31 961 y equals to 105 into 31. Okay, let's solve it. How much you'll get? 5031. Now you have to subtract it. How much you'll get? 1849961 8 so minus 88y equals to 105 31. Three 655. So how to solve? We'll take this number to right side. Minus 88y equals to 3655 minus 5031. So 5031 3655 6 7 3 1 3 7 6. One, 3, 7, 6. Okay. Minus cancelled. How much will get? We'll get y equals to 1376 divided by 8. So how much will get on that? If you simplify it, two 8 are 16, 2 8 are 16, 17, 2 8 are 16, 17. So there is a mistake. I think this part will say this will be 1776. Check the multiplication. It is 1776. If you cancel, it will be 2 times. Okay. Now putting the value of y in x equals to 117 minus 43y by 31. 117 minus 43 into 2 by 31. So how much you get? That is 117 minus 86 by 31, which is 31 by 31. So that is 1. So in the previous part there was a little calculation mistake. You try to find out. Therefore x का value 1, y का value 2. Okay, let's take one more. Like some different type. 0.5x plus 0.8y. 0.5x plus 0.8y. 0.8y equals to how much? 0.44. Second equation you have 0.8x. 0.8x plus 0.1y equals to how much? That is 4.4. 0.8x, 0.6y. Sorry, 6y equals to 0.5. Let's take the question again. 0.5x plus 0.8y equals to 0.44. 0.8x plus 0.6y equals to 0.5. Okay, how to solve? Substitution method if you want to do, what you have to do here? Now see the first one. 0.5x, 0.8y, 0.44. Let's take this one to this side. 0.5x equals to 0.44 minus 0.8y. X equals to 0.44 minus 0.8y by 0.5. I'll tell you a technique what to do. Try to remove this decimal. How to remove? You have to multiply 10, multiply 10. If you multiply 10 means decimal will come up to right place, one place. So x equals to 4.4. Then decimal will go here, minus 8y divided by 5. Because after decimal one digit, so 1 0 gone. So this is the value of x. Okay. Now put the value of x in the second equation. Putting the value of x. Putting the value of x in this one. So how much you'll get? So 0.8 into x is 4.4 minus 8y by 5 plus 0.6y equals to 0.5. Now take LCM. LCM is 5. Okay, this 5 will be multiplied here. 0.8, 4.4 minus 8y plus 5 into 0.6y equals to 0.5. So x का value 4.4 minus 8y by 5. Okay, this implies multiply 8 into 4.4. 8 4 जा 32, 8 4 जा 32 plus 3 35. Now after decimal 2 digits. So leave 2 digits, put decimal. Similarly 0.8 into 8 is 64. 64 means after decimal 1 digit, put here. Then plus 5, 6 the 30, 3.01 equals to 5 into 0.5. Okay, these two you can subtract. 6.4 minus 3.0 is 3.4. So implies 3.52 minus 3.4y, 5 5 is 25, 2.5, because after decimal 1 digit. So how much you will get? Implies 3.52, or we will take this number to right side like term, minus 3.4y equals to 2.5 minus 3.52. So how to subtract? Look at this is bigger number. So right here 3.52 minus 2.50. 2.50. So this is 2, this is 0, this is 1. So how much will you get? Implies minus 3.4y minus 1.02. Minus cancelled. Y equals to 1.02 divided by 3.4. The easy method is multiply 10. How much you will get? Implies y equals to, this will be 1 place it will come, 10.2 by